Hi everyone, this is Marjorie, and tonight's a special night for me. We're going to see one of my all-time favorite bands, Heart. My husband got tickets for me and him, and we're going, and I'm so excited. I've seen them before, but I love them. And the only problem I have is trying to not melt my makeup off because I can't go to a Heart concert without makeup on. And it happens to be 115 and the concert's still, it's 7 o'clock at night here. 115. Yeah, I told you I live in the desert. So anyway, I thought I'd show you a close-up of my hair and my makeup just for fun. Nothing spectacular, but I had fun doing it. So I took my hair, it's long, and I put it in a low ponytail, well, kind of middle of my back of my head ponytail. And then I teased the top a little bit. And then I pulled that back and put it in a ponytail and loosened up the front. Then I had this, because my hair's layered, it had different lengths coming out of the back of the ponytail. So I thought, what can I do with this? That doesn't look good. Took one of those stretchy hairpiece rubber band thingies that looks like a little frou-frou bun with longer pieces coming out. I got it at Sally's, and it's so cute. I'll show it to you tomorrow when I take it off. Right now it's attached. And I put that on over the whole ponytail because it's two ponytails turned into one. Then I have the little circular hairpiece rubber band thingy over that with the longer strands coming out. And then I took my hair, the long part sticking out, and just kind of bunched it up on one side and put it in a little clip. So I don't know, I'm going to turn around and see if you can see it better. Of course I can't tell what I'm doing, but anyway, that's it. And it kind of looks fun. It's kind of one of those messy, going to a concert type hairdos. And then I put on my rocker chick Heart type, earrings. They're wings, not heart, wings, little angel wings. And I'm wearing a shirt that, says love in bling. I don't know, I'm sitting down. Anyway, L-O and then V-E. I'm not going to stand up and show you the whole rest of it because I'm just trying to keep this short. So anyway, and the face, let's see, it's nothing special, but I did try some of the Milani blush that I think either Rockstar Mom or Pink So Foxy mentioned. And tried some smoky eyes and different things. So anyway, even at my age, gonna have fun with makeup. So anyway, talk to you later. I'll fill in the info down below about what I actually have on my face. And this isn't a tutorial, it's just to show the look. And I realize it's 100, please realize it's 115. And I'm melting. Time to go get the mister. All right, talk to you tomorrow. Bye.